Wealth Telegraph will make its working and maintenance extremely easy. Even common faults will become simple to fix.
Welcome back to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In this video, we will understand how a ship's engine telegraph works. When the bridge officer moves the telegraph handle to a new engine order, such as slow ahead or full astern, an electrical signal is immediately sent to the engine control room. The engine room indicator moves to the selected position and a buzzer sounds to alert the engineer. The engineer then acknowledges the order and the bridge receives confirmation. This simple but reliable system ensures that both the bridge and engine room always have the same engine command. The acknowledgement system is an important safety feature of the engine telegraph. Whenever a new order is received, a buzzer rings and indicator flashes. The engineer moves the telegraph handle to the same position to acknowledge the order. Once acknowledged, the alarm stops and the bridge receives confirmation. This prevents misunderstanding and ensures safe communication between the bridge and the engine room. Modern engine telegraph systems are designed with several safety features. These include audible alarms, flashing indicators, power failure alarms, lamp failure detection, dual power supplies, self-monitoring functions, and emergency backup communication. These features help maintain reliable operation even if a fault occurs. Like any electrical system, the engine telegraph can develop faults. Common problems include loss of power supply, blown fuses, faulty buzzers, damaged potentiometers, broken wiring, loose terminals, communication cable failures, or faulty electronic modules. Regular inspection helps identify these problems before they affect ship operations. Proper maintenance is essential for the reliable operation of the engine telegraph. Engineers should regularly clean the indicator unit, tighten electrical connections, test the buzzer and acknowledgement system, check the power supply, inspect cables, verify synchronization between the bridge and engine room, and carry out functional tests. Regular maintenance ensures safe and dependable communication at all times. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the working of the ship's engine telegraph in a simple way. If you find it useful, please like, share and subscribe to Marine Electrical Made Easy for more easy to understand videos on marine electrical technology. See you in the next video. Thank you.